Your class timetable is the schedule that will guide your life each semester. Learning how to manage your time now will make life a lot easier for you throughout your university career. Here are some basic tips to help you get started. Once you've registered for all your courses, you'll find your timetable on your Student Center. First, take a moment to check that all the courses you've selected are there. You'll notice that some courses take place at the same time twice a week. For example, Mondays and Wednesdays, or Tuesdays and Thursdays. But others just take place once a week, sometimes even scheduled on Saturdays. Keep in mind that certain courses will have other in-class requirements, such as labs and tutorials. Those will appear on your timetable too. Even with all your courses and additional requirements, your schedule might look light compared to CGEP or high school. You might want to fill the rest of your free time with work or having fun. But be warned, university courses require a significant increase in your study hours. So what looks like free time will likely need to be spent doing a specific task. This is where good time management comes in. There are 3 levels of good time management: the macro, mid, and the micro levels. Let's have a look at each one. The macro level. To help you see your schedule from a big picture viewpoint, download the Semester Planner from the Student Success Center's site. It's not just a calendar, it's a special time management tool for your entire semester, all in one page. To use it, review each of your course outlines carefully and enter each assignment, project, quiz, and exam on the Semester Planner. Being able to see all your assignments and exams with their percentage values at a glance will help you prioritize your time. Consider this your master plan for the academic year. The mid-level. Now that you can see the big picture, it's time for some mid-level planning. Did you know that an undergrad course requires roughly 7 hours of study time per week? So, if you're taking, say, 4 3-credit courses, you should allow about 28 hours of study time during the week, not counting class time, labs, and tutorials. Plus, you'll still need to account for travel time, eating, sleeping, self-care, and socializing. How will you find the time to do everything? With mid-level planning, of course. Download the Finding Time to Study grid, which you will also find on the Student Success Center website. To use it, plug in all of your committed hours, including class time, travel time, meal time, work hours, exercise, and sleep. Then, add your study time. Remember those 28 hours? In approximately 2-hour blocks. Study time is often best scheduled when you're most productive. For example, if you're a morning person, schedule solid study hours in the morning. But be realistic. Don't forget to add break times in between those 2-hour study blocks, as well as before and after class time. If your grid seems overloaded by too many commitments, you may need to think about cutting some by reducing work hours or dialing back your social commitments until the end of the term. You might even consider dropping a class. It all depends on your individual situation. The micro level. Now that you have a big picture of your semester, the macro level, and an overview of your weekly commitments, the mid-level, it's time to think about planning each day. It's what we call the micro level planning, or making a to-do list. At the beginning of each week, sit down with your semester planner and your Finding Time to Study grid. Look at what's due in the near future and identify what you'll need to do in order to meet those assignment deadlines. Break each task into steps. Use an agenda to list tasks for each day and allocate those tasks to different study blocks you've already scheduled. For example, if you have a 40-page chapter to read for Thursday, you might allocate 10 pages to 4 different study blocks. If you'd like some personalized time management help, come to the Student Success Center's time management workshops that run throughout the academic year.